Hello everyone, hope you all are having an amazing day. We'll be studying different type of candlestick patterns and their uses on the live chart. Let's dive in. As we have discussed in the previous lecture, what are candlesticks? This is the spinning top candlestick. Spinning top candlestick has short body, which means that the opening price would be very close to the closing price of an pair. Spinning top has long wicks, which means that here, as you can see in this diagram, the sellers tried very hard to drop the price, but they couldn't able to sustain the price, hence the price closed back. Same is for the buyers. The buyers tried very hard to push the price upwards, but couldn't maintain the price. The spinning top candle can be bullish or bearish, it doesn't matter. When the spinning top candle is formed on the chart, it means that there is indecision in the market. Neither the sellers want to dominate, neither the buyers want to dominate. Wait and watch scenario is going on. The interpretation of the spinning top is reversal, which means that if the spinning top is found in an uptrend, there is a chance of reversal, and if it is found in the downtrend, there is a chance of reversal, which means downtrend is about to end. Let me share some live chart examples with you. Let's go to the chart. As you can see here, guys, here was an uptrend, a spinning top formed, the market went down, the price of this pair went down. Here you can I have marked this spinning top for you. Here you can see. Then the price of the pair went down, spinning top came, and the price went up. Same is the case with this one. The price was in an mini uptrend, spinning top came, and the price went down, as you can see. And here the price was down, spinning top came, and the price went up. After watching this video, guys, go to tradingview.com, open any pair, any commodity, any stock, any crypto which you want to analyze, open the chart, and your task for today is to identify the spinning top pattern, because guys, practice makes the man perfect, and if you don't implement it, then there is of no use. Go to tradingview.com, open any chart pair, and identify as much patterns as possible. If you are stuck anywhere or if you're confused, just ask a question in the Q&A and I'll respond as soon as possible. So let's continue our journey to the next candlestick pattern. See you soon.